With the newly delayed feature film Digimon Adventure Kizuna and the new Digimon Adventure Sai reboot recently released, I decided what better time to make a mukbang video inspired by episode 7 of the Digimon Adventure series, where the digidestined find and eat a fridge full of eggs they stumble upon at a hot spring while they're trying to get home. I'll also try the eggs the way the characters say they like them in the anime, from Joe's salt and pepper to Matt's mayonnaise and Mimi's sugar, maybe jellybeans and mustard too, depending on whether you watch the sub or dubbed version. I might even try both ways.
My favorite is eggs topped with maple syrup. Yummy!
俺、醤油。
マヨネーズ。
Check.
I'll have mine with mustard and jelly beans, please.
How gross!
Jelly beans, that sounds good.
What? You're making me completely lose my appetite. I just like plain eggs. I wish we could talk about something other than egg recipes.
Don't be so hard on yourself. They're just having fun.
Come on, join the party. I think it's really too late for him.
While I'm trying the eggs, I'll be talking about the fanbase of Digimon, as well as my interest in the Digimon Adventure series, how it inspired me, and how I've been nostalgic for it, as well as the upcoming film, and how I feel about the upcoming reboot as well. We're going to start off easy, and we're going to do Joe's salt and pepper. Alright. So here's the salt, the pepper. Too much. Wait. Okay, and I believe Matt said he likes them with ketchup. So pretty normal. Pretty normal so far. Thank God. Okay, so Ty says he likes his with soy sauce. Now this is where things are going to start to get kind of gross, but that's alright. Oh, so before I try the soy sauce, I'm going to start talking about the series. So, yeah. So Digimon's kind of weird. I used to think that I was like one of the only people that liked the series growing up. I didn't really know a lot of people who also liked Digimon, especially after the popularity went away, which wasn't very long, didn't last that long. But yeah, as the years went by, I kind of figured I was one of like the very few people that actually liked Digimon. But it turns out, you know, Digimon has a larger fan base than I realized. It actually has a lot of fans. It has a lot more fans than you'd think. The fans are pretty hardcore. I never would have guessed that there were enough Digimon fans to like make a Digimon tri-series, movie series, and even a reboot. So I'm really happy about that. Yeah, for me, Digimon is just really special growing up. I think that it really got me to be really creative, and I loved how creative Digimon was growing up. I don't know, it just meant a lot to me growing up because of all of the things that happened. It's just for a children's show, it was a really well-made, well-thought-out show. Like the relationships between the characters and their relationships with their parents, and it was a deep show. It was a really deep show compared to most kids' anime, and so I don't know. It just left like an impact on me. It was a good show, and yeah, it means a lot to me, and it's good to know that there's a lot of people around the world that actually really like Digimon. So much so that, you know, Toei's able to make a whole reboot, as well as 8 films after the Adventure series ended. The 6 tri-movies, and then the 7th one, and then the 7th movie. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So we're gonna try the soy sauce now.
俺醤油
Ugh, that does not look good. The way it dripped on there. Ugh. Uh-uh.
おいジョー落ち着けよ
うるさい僕は落ち着いてるよいつだってね
No. Sorry about the chewing sounds. I'm trying to be casual because I'm nervous because I don't film videos. I just decided to film this. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. Digimon just means a lot to me. It just had an impact, a profound impact on me, and I just never forgot about it. I was always very nostalgic for it. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna move on. So, in the American dubbed version, Mimi says that she likes hers with syrup. So we're gonna try that with some syrup. I actually think this is gonna be good.
My favorite is eggs topped with maple syrup. Yummy!
So we're gonna try that with some syrup. I actually think this is gonna be good. It's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. Ugh. So I'm gonna move on. I don't really know how to do this. I'm gonna move on to the movie that's coming out soon. So obviously that movie was delayed because of the current events, but I'm still looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be, I heard it's gonna be really good. The only thing, let's see. So it's gonna kind of be similar to the Digimon movie Our War Game with Omnimon. It's gonna focus mostly on Tai and Matt, and the rest of the characters are gonna be pretty much sidelined for the most part. I did hear that the season 2 cast is gonna have a side mission role in the movie, but it's mostly gonna be focused on Matt and Tai, from what I've heard. I watched a video by Foxin Anime, I believe, and he had mentioned that that's how it was going to be. He made a video on it. I can link it in the description. And if you guys want to check it out, part of it is spoil free and part of it is not. So he tells you where the spoilers are in the video. They're not till towards the end. So if you want to watch it spoil free, you can do that. If you want to watch the whole thing and have the spoilers, you can do that. But it was interesting. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not a pro at making these things, making these eggs. Yeah, but I'm still excited. I was hoping the movie would include more of the cast. It would have more going on with the whole cast. But I mean, it is what it is. But yeah. Okay, so this is really nasty, but in the dub, in the Japanese version, I believe it's Matt who says that he likes mayonnaise on his eggs, which sounds disgusting.
Mayonnaise.
Now, Japanese mayonnaise is different than American mayonnaise, so maybe it's good in Japan, but I only have this mayonnaise. I have this mayonnaise, so I'm going to try it this way. And it's probably not going to be any good, but who cares? It's probably not going to be any good, but who cares? I didn't really make this to be tasty. Yeah, that's as gross as it sounds. Oh!
おいジョー、落ち着けよ。
うるさい。僕は落ち着いてるよ。いつだってね。
That's nasty. Okay. Yeah, that's nasty. So you know, like when you're in elementary or whatever, when you're in elementary, there's always like those kids that like to do weird things with their lunches. Like they mix all the foods together. They mix all the food together. That always made me want to puke. That always made me want to puke. Like seeing food mixed together for some reason makes me gag. And those kids gross me out so much. Sorry. Sorry if you were one of them. That wasn't cool, man. Okay. So yeah, the Digimon movie looks good. I saw the last evolutions for Agumon and Gabumon. I didn't really like them, to be honest with you. They looked pretty weird. But I mean, it's okay. Whatever, who cares? It's still gonna be... It sounds like it's gonna be... From what I've heard from people that have seen the movie, it's gonna be a really good movie. So that's exciting. Oh my... Y'all, I do not know how to make eggs. Look at this. Oh, that's bad. That's so... These are... Yeah, that's bad. It's okay. It's just for fun anyway. Terrible. Y'all, don't ever let me make you eggs. Oh.
with mustard and jelly beans, please.
Oh, gross.
Jelly beans, that sounds good.
So I think it's in the English version. Izzy says he likes his with mustard, which is a crime in itself. Oh, but nevertheless, I have to try it. He actually says mustard and jelly beans, which is disgusting, but I'm gonna try it. Nevertheless, I have to try it. He actually says mustard and jelly beans, which is disgusting, but I'm gonna try it. This is not gonna be good. This is gonna be so disgusting. It's not good. It's not that bad though. So let's talk about the reboot. So I was concerned when they said that the reboot when I found out the reboot wasn't going to follow the same storyline, I was concerned. But honestly, I think I'm ready for a fresh take on Digimon with the original cast characters. I think that it's going to be pretty interesting. It'll be like watching the adventure series for the first time again, because you won't know what's going to happen. So it's going to be cool. It's going to be like experience it. It's going to be like you're experiencing it for the first time all over again. I just hope that they don't ruin it, because there were a lot of things about the original adventure series that made it super amazing. Like, there's a lot of things happened that really like tugged on your heartstrings and made you feel stuff. It's worrisome because like, what if the new series, like the people who are writing it, like they don't love or respect Digimon, you know what I mean? And they don't really care about it. Maybe they won't, you know, be able to cause the same thing. Like they might struggle with getting people to feel something. The original series made you feel a lot of stuff. Like, you definitely felt a lot. You felt for the characters, when people would die. It was a sad series. Even the very ending of it was... The very ending of it was so sad. The very ending of it was super sad. When they're leaving to the real world and they have to leave their Digimon behind, like that was so sad, and like, oh, it really like got you. It's just like, I don't know, are they going to be able to replicate the things that made Adventure so amazing? I don't know. I don't think that they are. I don't know if they have the same passion or they care about... They might not care about the series at all. It might just be a job for them. So it's kind of like, I'm worried it's not going to be any good. yeah, like what if it's not any good? Like that's a concern. But yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. It's like it may suck, it might be good. There are a lot of things about the series that made it really deep. It's just, I don't know. I don't think it's going to be easy to replicate the success that Adventure had with the new audience or even with the old audience. I think that there's a chance it might be really bad. I personally am going to try to support the series and watch it even if I maybe am not enjoying myself. Just because I want Digimon to succeed. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe it'll be good. Maybe it won't. But realistically, the new series is going to be for kids, you know? Just like the original one was. So I might not like it because of that. Because I'm not a kid anymore. Because I'm not going to be nostalgic for it the way I am with the Adventure series. Or maybe, yeah, I don't know. And with the Try series, you know, Try was more for, it was aimed towards people that were my age that grew up watching the series originally. It wasn't aimed towards kids, but now they're going back kind of towards aiming towards kids with the new Psy series reboot. So I mean, yeah, I definitely want to give it the benefit of the doubt. And I don't know. I'm really picky when it comes to Digimon. Like, for me, I really don't even like any of the Digimon series other than Season 1. Everything after that, for me, is just, like, not interesting. Not my cup of tea. I don't know. But, yeah. So, I hope you've enjoyed watching me eat these gross eggs. And maybe you were entertained by some of the things I had to say. This is my first time trying to do a mukbang, so I probably didn't do a very good job at it. I probably didn't even talk enough, but we'll see. It's been like 30 minutes, so hopefully there's something watchable in here. But yeah, I guess bye. Subscribe if you're down, if you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. Subscribe. Like this video if you liked it because it was Digimon related. If you want me to make more videos, like the video. Subscribe if you want. I think this video is done now. Peace.